So the topic that we are going to start today is what?
Sets.
Sets hai, okay? So let's start this concept of sets, okay? So what is a set? That's the question that we are going to ask.
Sir, please start the recording.
Yeah, recording has been is going on, okay?
Sir, a set is a collection of objects. Similar type of objects.
Simply a set is a collection of objects, okay? So if you look at this picture here, what is this picture about?
So it is a collection of people.
World Cup.
This is when India won the World Cup in 2011, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if you
Yes, sir.
talk about the team that won World Cup in 2011, so that team is a set. समझ रहे? So what does the team contain? The team contains a set of players. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you think of a set, set is nothing but a collection of objects. Okay. The objects can be of any type. Collection of persons हो सकता है, collection of animals हो सकता है, right? Collection of alphabets हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
A collection of pictures.
Yes, sir.
एक collection of teams भी हो सकते हैं. ध्यान दे दीजिए. Team is a set, right? Yes or no? Indian team is a set. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
से collection of teams भी हो सकते हैं. That can also be a set. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Collection of collections जैसा
Yes,
भी हो
sir.
सकता है चीजें जो है. Okay? So let's try to understand what the different terms related to sets are. Okay? So first, so some introduction about sets. Okay? So today the concept of sets serves as a fundamental part of present day mathematics. कोई भी आप मैथमेटिक्स का ब्रांचेस ले लीजिए. So maths have different branches. Do you know that? So have you
Yes,
some
sir.
idea of different branches
Yes,
of
sir.
mathematics? बोल सकते
Yes,
हैं?
sir.
Any
Yes,
branches
sir.
of
Sir,
mathematics? that you know?
topology.
Topology, good.
Sir, calculus. Number theory.
Calculus is okay.
Number theory, sir.
Number theory, okay.
Sir, algebra.
Algebra, okay.
Sir, geometry.
Geometry, okay.
So arithmetic.
हाँ, arithmetic. Okay, what you're saying are correct, but most of the time the different things that you actually arithmetic बोला है ना आपने. Some of you have said arithmetic, right? Arithmetic also goes into number theory. समझ में आ रहा है? Number theory is a bigger branch of mathematics. Clear है?
Yes,
So
sir.
number theory में अलग अलग सब branches होते हैं बहुत बार. Clear? For
Okay.
example, algebra is a branch of mathematics. Algebra में बहुत सारा टॉपिक्स आएगा आपका. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस, पॉलिनोमियल्स, ऐसा नो. All this come under algebra. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So आपका लीनियर इक्वेशंस टॉपिक है ना. लीनियर इक्वेशंस ये सारे टॉपिक्स है ना.
Yes, sir.
ये सारा भी आपको कहाँ आएगा? algebra में आएगा, क्योंकि एक्स
Yes,
एंड वाई
sir.
यूज कर रहे हैं ना आप algebra में, राइट? बड़ा होने के बाद आपको मैट्रिसेस चैप्टर आएगा. मैट्रिसेस, डिटर्मिनेंट्स नाम का कुछ चैप्टर्स आएगा.
हाँ, sir.
ओके, दैट इज अ सेपरेट ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. उसको हम लीनियर अलजेब्रा बोलते हैं. ओके, अलजेब्रा इज नॉर्मल अलजेब्रा, जो आपका पॉलिनोमियल्स, थ्योरी ऑफ इक्वेशंस, ये सारा जो है वो अलजेब्रा में आता है. ओके,
Yes, sir.
so there is something called linear algebra. That's a different branch of mathematics. For example, graph theory एक branch है. जैसा कुछ बच्चे बोला था टोपोलॉजी एक ब्रांच है.
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है, there are different branches of mathematics. गेम theory,
Sir, probability.
गेम्स के बारे में. गेम theory में probability भी आते हैं. ओके,
हाँ, sir.
so in most of these different branches जब आप कोई भी नया ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स जो वो कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्ट होता है ना, एवरी ब्रांच हैज देयर ओन फंडामेंटल्स, राइट? कोई भी ब्रांच कहीं ना कहीं से स्टार्ट होता
Yes,
है ना,
sir.
ऐसा?
Yes.
So in
Yes, sir.
most of the branches of mathematics, this set theory is the fundamental of most of these branches. Okay, sets का जरूरत पड़ता है आपको. To understand sets is very important. Okay, so today this concept is being used in almost every branch of mathematics. अगर आप थोड़ा सा अंदर गए तो यूजुअली क्या होता है ना, आप जब पढ़ते हैं यूजुअली यू वोंट स्टार्ट विथ फंडामेंटल्स ऑलवेज. हर बार हर सब्जेक्ट आप फंडामेंटल से सीखना शुरू किया तो चीज़ें जो है थोड़ा सा बोरिंग हो जाते हैं बहुत बार. ओके, इसलिए
Yes, sir.
आप
Yes, sir.
बहुत सारा चैप्टर्स जो है, बहुत सारा जो मान लीजिए नंबर थ्योरी फॉर एग्जांपल, नंबर थ्योरी हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया?
Counting.
काउंटिंग से स्टार्ट किया, नंबर से स्टार्ट किया ना आपने. बट जब नंबर्स शुरू हुआ, आप अगर सेट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट उसी समय आपको मान लीजिए बचपन में नंबर्स आप फर्स्ट क्लास सेकंड क्लास से शुरू किया था ना, राइट? उस समय मान लीजिए मैं सेट थ्योरी इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई थिंग्स हैव बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डिफरेंट वे. बट इफ यू गो इनटू द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स ऑफ नंबर थ्योरी, स्टार्टिंग में सेट थ्योरी होता है, समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ,
Natural
sir, होता है.
natural numbers is a set of numbers, right?
हाँ, sir.
Whole numbers is a set of numbers.
Yes.
अलग अलग सेट्स का अलग अलग प्रॉपर्टीज होता है, राइट? सारा
Yes,
सेट्स एक ही
sir.
जैसा नहीं होता है, सही क्या? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टेक नेचुरल नंबर सिस्टम्स, व्हाट इज द एलिमेंट आफ्टर वन? वन के बाद क्या आता है?
2.
टू
So
के बाद
two.
3 आता है, 3 के बाद 4 आता है, ऐसा नो? यू नो व्हाट कम्स
Yes,
आफ्टर द
sir.
सर्टेन नंबर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
बट इफ यू टेक ए सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, रियल नंबर्स में भी वन होता है ना?
हाँ, sir.
सो वन
Yes,
के बाद
sir.
नेक्स्ट रियल
Yes.
नंबर क्या है? व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट रियल नंबर?
क्या बोले?
हाँ
Sir, cannot hear.
हाँ, sometimes all the sets are not alike. Can you see this? There are some sets with certain properties, other sets with certain properties. ये properties को study करते हैं, right? ऐसा ना? So there are different branches of mathematics. For most of them, sets is the basic foundation concept. Okay, sets are used to define the concepts of relations and functions afterwards. Sets के बाद
Yes,
relations
sir.
and functions आते हैं, वो chapter. So वो भी उसका भी fundamental sets ही, clear? And the study of sequences, probability, geometry, all of this needs some sort of concepts of sets. Clear? बहुत बार हम sets word use नहीं करते हैं, but sets का जो properties है that will be unconsciously used. Okay?
हाँ, sir, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता.
हाँ, बहुत बार. So the theory of sets was developed by a German mathematician. कौन है, नाम क्या है उसका? What is the name of him? John Cantor.
Cantor.
This guy is the first one who developed the theory of sets. Okay. He first encountered sets while working on problems on trigonometric series. Okay. So he used to work on that topic. You don't need to understand what the trigonometric series are. Trigonometric series is some topics which are related to trigonometry and series. Okay. Trigonometry is a branch, series is a branch. Okay. So दोनों combination topic है. So when he was dealing with that, he got this idea of sets. Okay. So this is the guy. He have started this branch of mathematics. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go forward?
Yes, sir.
नो, एक मिनट रुकिए सर.
हाँ. So are
ये
you
पेज लिखना है सर.
क्या है बेटा? You don't need to write this. Afterwards, you can look at the video if you want.
ओके सर.
Next, sets and their representation. So how do you represent sets? So obviously when you
सर
talk,
पिछला वाला पेज दिखाइए ना 2 मिनट.
हाँ, इसमें important है John Cantor is the important word that you need to know. Okay.
Sir, the screen is coming hazy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा.
ओके. स्क्रीन शेयर करना है तो बेटर है ना. एक सेकेंड, लेट मी ट्राई दैट आउट.
यस सर.
स्क्रीन शेयर करना है ना आपको.
यस सर, पूरा क्लियर है.
सर
हाँ सर, पूरा दिख
clear
रहा है.
Yes, sir. Now
दिख रहा है
it's
ना?
clear.
सर एक बार आप
Yes, sir. It's very nice now.
Okay. Shall I go to next slide?
Yes,
yes sir.
yes.
इसमें आपको ये जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन है बेटा. दैट जॉन कैंटर ही इज द वन हु स्टार्टेड द थ्योरी ऑफ सेट्स. दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. ओके. So let us try to understand how sets are represented. Representation का मतलब है बेटा, if you want to talk about sets, when you're talking about sets, the other people can understand what you're speaking. But if you have to write them, you should have a method to write them, right? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So that's what
Yes,
we're going
sir.
to understand. Okay. So now in everyday life, we often talk about various collection of objects of a particular kind, right? For example, chocolates. It's a collection of objects, right? Yes or no?
यस सर.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So in your house also you have several collection of objects. The collection of books that you have. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Or the collection of pens that you have. Or the collection of objects in your house. All the objects in your house that can be thought of as a collection, right?
Yes,
So in
yes,
everyday
sir.
life, again, we are also a collection of different things, right? If I am talking about myself, I have various objects within me, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes
So
sir.
these are the collections about
Yes,
which
sir.
we can talk about in daily life, right? So for example, let us take these examples which we usually use in mathematics. Okay, pack of cards. Is this a collection of objects?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is a collection of objects, right? In a pack of cards, what are the objects that you have?
सर
You have all these cards. Yes or no? 52 cards. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a collection of objects. These are collection of objects. Okay. For example, IPL captains of 2020. This is a collection of objects.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So the objects here are those persons, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously
Yes,
the objects
sir.
are cards. Here the objects are persons. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, Prime Ministers of India. Is it a collection of objects? Again, collection of persons, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
ठीक. Colors in a rainbow.
यस सर.
This is also
Yes,
a collection,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Collection
Have
of
different
colours.
colors, right? Religions of India.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
the
Yes.
objects can be, they don't need to be living objects always. They can be
Yes.
non-living objects also. They can be
Non-living.
ideas also. समझ आ रहे?
Yes,
The
sir.
objects
Yes,
can be
sir.
of any type. Okay. Bollywood movies released in 2019. Is it a collection?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all these are collections that we can talk about. Okay, when we ask about, मान लीजिए आपके पास आपके घर में कुछ पार्टी हो रहे, हम YouTube में क्या सर्च करते हैं? पार्टी सॉन्ग्स ऑफ 2019. Yes or no?
Yes.
Song is also a
That is a
collection.
collection, right? We are thinking about some sort of collection, right? So all these are sets basically. Okay.
Yes sir.
So ध्यान दे दीजिए, there is
सर
a
एक मिनट पिछला पेज दिखाएंगे?
क्या है बेटा? ये पेज इसमें कौन सा मूवीज पता है आपको? व्हाट आर द मूवीज दैट यू नो अबाउट?
हाँ सर शायद पहला वाला गजनी है।
हाँ, वो तो पुराना हो गया ना।
सेकंड वाला पीके है।
पीके
सर 2.0
हाँ
चौथा वाला
2.0 भी है।
हाँ 2.0
2.0
हाँ, इसके बीच में
2.0
अजय देवगन का कौन सा मूवी है बेटा? अच्छा है, आप लोग
और एक
बहुत कम
अच्छा
फॉलो
और एक
करते
बात
हैं।
था सर अगर आप बोलेंगे बॉलीवुड मूवी और बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग दोनों तो सेट नहीं होगा।
क्या है बेटा?
सर अगर कोई बॉलीवुड मूवी दे और एक कोई बॉलीवुड मतलब सॉन्ग दे
हाँ,
तो दोनों तो सेट नहीं होगा।
बोथ आर
एक साथ
डिफरेंट
अगर
सेट्स।
रहेगा तो।
दैट इज अ सेट इन इटसेल्फ, दिस इज अ सेट इन इटसेल्फ।
हाँ सर।
समझ रहे हैं?
तो
एक
मतलब
साथ
दोनों
रहेगा
को
तो set
मिला के तो सेट नहीं हो सकता?
नहीं, दोनों को
वैसे
मिला सकते हैं। सेट ऑफ बॉलीवुड मूवीज एंड सॉन्ग्स कर
हाँ
सकते हैं
सर
ना।
वैसे यस
सर
सर।
ओके सर।
देखिए, आपका घर में यू हैव सेट ऑफ चेयर्स, राइट? सो कैन यू वेट? ओके, एक मिनट। सो सेट ऑफ चेयर्स is or no? And set of
हाँ सर।
tables, set of sofas, all these are different sets. Is or no?
Yes sir. Yes
Yes.
sir.
So if you just say set of furniture in my house, ये सब कुछ आ जाएगा ना?
Yes sir. Yes
Yes
sir.
sir.
Clear है? So it depends on how you define things. Okay? Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So now there is a word called well-definedness. Okay? When you talk about sets, you should understand a word which is called well-defined. Okay? Okay? So now if I talk about this collection, what is the collection that I am talking about? The collection of
Top 3 best prime ministers of India.
So if I talk about this, is it a well-defined set? Well-defined का ये मतलब है, when I talk about this set to anybody, all of them should have the same answer within their mind. समझ रहे?
Yes sir.
So
Yes
when I
sir.
talk about
Sir,
सर
colors,
ये नहीं होगा।
when I talk
Sir,
about colors
this
in
will
a
not be
rainbow,
there.
Yes, sir.
when I talk about colors in a rainbow, आप सब लोग एक ही सेट के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि अलग अलग सेट्स के बारे में सोच रहे हैं? सब लोग विबजीआर के बारे में
Same
सोच रहे हैं
set.
ना?
The same set.
Because all of us have studied that there are 7 colors, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
विबजीआर से जो होता है ना, वही है ना?
Yes
All
हाँ
of them
सर।
know.
Yes sir.
And we are all thinking about the same thing, right? But when I say
Yes.
when I talk about the collection of top 3 best prime ministers of India, सबका आंसर एक ही होगा या अलग अलग हो सकते हैं?
Sir, अलग
Different
अलग.
होगा।
Different.
अलग
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 That means this definition is not well defined. समझ रहे?
Yes
सबके लिए
हाँ
सेम
सर।
आंसर नहीं है. क्लियर है?
Yes sir.
Collection of top 5 Bollywood movies released in 2019.
So, ये भी नहीं होगा सर।
ये भी नहीं
सर,
होगा ना,
ये भी
क्योंकि
नहीं
अलग
होगा।
अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग
Well
आंसर हो
defined.
सकते हैं, right? Different people can have different
Yes,
answers.
sir.
Okay?
Yes sir.
Collection of bad cards in a pack of cards.
So this is also
Again, all of us
not different.
don't need to be thinking of the same card, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So whenever
Yes,
there is
sir.
this confusion,
Yes sir.
whenever there is this confusion, we say that the definition is not well defined. Basically, the set is not well defined. समझ रहे?
Yes sir.
Word is
Yes
also
sir.
okay, na? Well defined. The definition is not very clear, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Collection of dangerous animals.
So this can also be different.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Not well defined.
Not well
well
defined.
defined.
Collection of handsome boys in our class.
Not
So
well defined.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. Everybody do not have the same answer, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So these definitions are not good, basically. So I say that these are not well defined. Clear?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Clear? So what is the meaning of well definedness? Well defined का ये मतलब है, once I define it, once I define the set, you should be able to tell whether a particular object will belong to the set or does not belong to the set without any confusion. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes.
example, if I take the top 3 best prime ministers of India, I don't know whether Rajiv Gandhi comes in it or not, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether some other one, Manmohan Singh, comes in it or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There is
choices
a
differ
confusion. That
करेगा
means it
person
is
to
not
person.
well defined. The set is not well defined. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They're not constant for everyone.
Not same for everyone.
The
if
choices
a
will differ
set is well
from person
defined,
to
it has to
person.
be same for everyone. Okay, clear? So if a collection is well defined, you should be able to unambiguously, एक नया word है, पता है क्या unambiguously का मतलब? Did you ever hear
Set
this
of
word? Ambiguous. Ambiguous का मतलब है dicey case. तो it's a doubtful case. Okay? Unambiguous का मतलब without any doubt.
Without any doubt.
Without hesitation.
Without
Decide
confusion.
whether an object belongs to the set or not. Clear? Easy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, again we are still in sets and their representation. So now mathematically a set is not any collection. A set is a collection of well defined objects. Clear? So previously the things that we have defined here, collection of these might be collections, but these are not sets in a mathematical sense. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is a set?
Yes.
A set is a collection of
Well-defined object.
or
Well-defined
well-defined
object.
collection of objects. Okay. For example, these are some of the sets that we use in mathematics. N, natural numbers, is a set, right? All of us know what it is, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, Q. Set of rational numbers are represented by the letter Q. Okay. Set of irrational numbers. What is the representation for set of irrational numbers?
QC.
Q power C.
Q to
Basically,
the power
C
C.
is the superscript. Okay. R is the set of real numbers. That is also a good set, right? So if you take any number, you can very clearly say whether it is a real number or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, again, you should not expect that an LKG fellow can say with the same confidence. Those of us who know about real numbers can say without doubt. Okay. So R plus, the set of positive real numbers. Next, set of even natural numbers. Set of solutions of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Set of solutions of this quadratic
sir.
equation. All of you know how to solve quadratic equation? Will all
Yes,
of you get the
yes,
same
sir.
answers, or
Middle
different
term
students will
factorization.
get different answers? All of you are going to get the same answers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is also a well-defined collection of objects. Clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? Shall I go forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you know about this diagram, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
called
The Venn diagram.
this is called a Venn diagram. Okay. The set of natural numbers. So the set of whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, complex numbers. You know about all these numbers, right? No?
सर इससे भी एक बड़ा होता है.
Yes, sir.
Complex numbers is a still bigger set, right? Than real numbers. All
तो
real
complex
numbers
भी बड़ा
comes
होता है?
inside complex numbers. Okay.
तो कॉम्प्लेक्स से भी कुछ बड़ा होता है?
हाँ सर होता है.
Okay, again, what we have said is complex numbers is nothing but a set of two numbers taken at a time, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can think about a set of three numbers taken at a time. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Set
sir.
of four numbers taken at a time.
Yes, sir.
Actually, as
Yes,
you study more and more, basically we think about two-dimensional spaces, After two-dimensional space, the higher is three-dimensional space, right? 3D.
Yes, sir.
What is after 3D?
The fourth dimension.
Fourth dimension, fifth dimension. You
Right.
can think about any dimensions. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you are
Yes, sir.
interested in mathematics and theoretical physics, you'll have to think about all this afterwards. Okay.
सर इससे भी बड़ा सर ट्रांसेंडेंटल नंबर है सर.
Tran?
सर ट्रांसेंडेंटल नंबर्स.
नहीं बेटा, transcendental numbers are subset of real numbers. There are some real numbers which are called transcendental numbers. Okay.
Sir, complex
Okay,
number
sir.
consists of imaginary numbers as well.
Uh,
So it is here.
it is bigger set, right? All real numbers will be there along with it. Real plus imaginary will also be there, no? In complex numbers.
Yes, sir, but that's not written in this chart. That's why I asked.
In this chart, it is just showing that complex numbers is a bigger set. Okay.
तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को सी से रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना.
हाँ, complex numbers are represented by C. Okay. Clear है बेटा? So you understood what well-definedness is, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood what well-definedness is, right? Okay. Now, representation of sets. How do you represent sets? Okay. To understand that, try to read these points. First point: objects, elements, or members are synonymous terms. Synonymous means same meaning. We say that an object belongs to the set or does not belong to the set. समझ रहे? Obviously, every collection has some objects in it, right? Yes or no? Every set
Yes,
has
sir.
some objects in it, right?
Yes, sir.
So these objects are
sir.
also called elements. Every set has some elements, okay? Or every set has some members. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you take an object, it might belong to the set or it might not belong to the set. Correct? For example, if you think about the set, the World Cup winning team of 2011. The World Cup winning team of 2011. Okay. So does Sachin belong to the set or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Belong.
Yes,
Member of
sir.
set.
Okay.
The member
does,
of set.
does Bumrah belong to the set or not?
No, sir.
Sir, not a set.
No, sir.
Not a set.
So Sachin belongs to the set. Bumrah does not belong to the set. Yes or no? That's how we say. Clear?
सर क्या बोला और एक बार समझाएंगे.
Now, if you take some set, for example, recently, if you take the set of the Indian team that is playing in Australia right now, is that a set
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir. Set होगा.
Yes, sir.
Or the Indian team playing in the 4th test, which is going on right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
It is a set, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So a set has some objects.
Yes, sir.
So for example, Rohit Sharma is an object of that set.
Yes, sir.
Gill is an object of that set, right? Pujara is an object of the set. So I say that Pujara belongs to the team, right?
Yes, sir.
There might be other. Dinesh Karthik does not belong to the team, right?
Does not belong. Yes, sir.
So if a object is there in the set, we say that it belongs to the set. If it is not there, we say that it does not belong to the set. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, sets are denoted by capital letters usually. Usually sets are denoted by capital letters. Okay? For example, set of vowels of an English language. Set of vowels in English alphabet. Okay? That is a set. I represent it by the letter capital A. Okay? समझ रहे?
हाँ सर.
So
Yes,
the set
sir.
capital
Yes,
A is
sir.
a set of vowels in English language. I represent that complete set with a capital letter A, or B, or C, or D, so on. समझ रहे? The sets are represented by capital letters, and the elements in the set are represented by small letters. समझ रहे?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So let us say that if for example let the unknown be x hota hai na, in algebra let us we say something like this, let the unknown be small x, right? That is a representation, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This small x is a symbol used to represent an unknown, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
I usually come across these words. Let us say that an element small a belongs to the set capital A. समझ रहे? Set is
तो इसका
represented by
मतलब
capital letters.
एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट स्मॉल में होगा।
क्या है बेटा?
तो इसका मतलब जो सेट का नाम तो कैपिटल होगा,
हाँ,
लेकिन
यूजुअली
एलिमेंट
सेट
ऑफ
का
सेट
नाम
स्मॉल
कैपिटल
होगा।
होगा एंड उसके अंदर एलिमेंट्स जो हम एज्यूम करते हैं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस। देखिए बेटा, लेट द सेट ए, इट्स नॉट दैट द एलिमेंट शुड ऑलवेज बी स्मॉल लेटर्स, ऐसा नहीं है। Let A be the set which contains letters capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E. What I am saying is, so if you want to write something like this, let x be the unknown, ऐसा assume करते हैं ना हम, when I don't know something.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
usually
sir.
I write if I am talking about some elements in the set, which I don't know actually, some unknown set. If I have to talk about an object in an unknown set, I usually write it as let A be the element that is present in the set capital A. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Let small a be the element in the set capital A. ऐसा कुछ लिखने का तरीका है. That's the usual thing that we do.
ए और कैपिटल स्मॉल ए में क्या दिया है सर, पूरा साइन?
नहीं, वो साइन यहाँ आ रहा है इसलिए मैं यहाँ रोक लिया. देखिए वो साइन मैं यहाँ दिखा रहा हूँ. देखिए, if an element A is present in the set A, then we say that element A belongs to A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If an element is present in the set A, then we say that A belongs to A. Yes or no? So
Yes,
belongs
sir.
to का symbol
Yes,
है,
sir.
तो belongs to symbol is something like this. देखिए, it is something like a smooth and E.
सर एप्सिलॉन टाइप।
हाँ, E को ही आप स्मूथ किया है, ठीक है? क्लियर? हाँ, basically in Greek it is called epsilon. Okay? Epsilon symbol is used for what? To represent belongs to.
साइन।
बिलोंग्स।
Whenever you want to say belongs to, you can just use this symbol. The symbol represents belongs to. Okay? In mathematics.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we can write it as A belongs to A. Or otherwise if A does not belong to A, belongs to लिख के उसको cancel कर लीजिए. That becomes what? Does not
Does
belong.
not belong to.
Does not belong to.
Okay? So belongs to, does not belong to. These are the two things. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically this is a symbol that is used to denote this phrase, this English phrase. Okay? Shall I go forward?
Yes, sir.
सर रुकिए सर, रुकिए सर।
हाँ.
ठीक है सर।
Next, to write the sets there are two ways to
Sir,
write.
please show the previous page once.
Okay.
हाँ सर, हो गया।
Okay. Next, now to represent sets there are two ways. पूरा set को represent करने के लिए there are two ways. What are the ways? Roster form and set builder form. Okay, so what are these? These are different ways of representing sets. Okay, for example, देखिए, in roster form what we do is we list all the elements. We list all the elements separated by commas enclosed within braces. समझ आ रहे? For example, if you talk about the set of even numbers less than 7, is this a valid definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Valid
Yes,
definition. The
sir.
set of even numbers less than 7.
Yes, sir.
Are all of you thinking of the same numbers? Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So all of us
Sir,
know that
valid
the
set.
even numbers less than 7 are 2, 4 and 6.
2, 4, and 6.
Okay. So how do you represent this set? Basically you have 2, 4 and 6. These are the elements of this set, right?
Yes,
The elements of the set are separated by commas and they are enclosed in braces. समझ आ रहे?
Yes, sir.
This is the set.
Sir, how
of-
can we find that a set is roster or builder?
नहीं वही, let us try to understand what this is, then we'll understand it. First let us understand what we do in roster form. So in English, roster means a list. If you go to dictionary and see what roster means, roster is something like a list of objects. Okay, clear? We say that you have to maintain a roster of things.
ड्यूटी रोस्टर,
Huh?
सर ड्यूटी रोस्टर जैसा.
Duty roster. Roster means some sort of list or some sort of timings or something. Clear? Right? So set of even numbers less than 7. That set, if you want to represent it in set builder form, you can do something like this: 2, 4 and 6. Okay, within curly brackets. Set of vowels in English alphabet. Is it okay? Roster form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I have to represent set of divisors of 15 in roster form, I can do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basically, you list all the elements one after the other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Next, set of odd natural numbers. So if I just say set of odd natural numbers, they are infinite odd natural numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
when they are infinite, so what do? We put dot 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 to represent endlessness. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sets can be finite. Sets can be finite or infinite. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
sets need
sir.
to
यहाँ
be
पर
finite.
सेकंड ब्रैकेट क्यों यूज होता है?
Huh? What?
सर यहाँ पर सिर्फ सेकंड ब्रैकेट ही क्यों यूज होता है?
Second?
सर ब्रेसेस ही क्यों सिर्फ यूज होता है?
Yeah, that's the usual notation. That's how people are doing this from last 100 years. We also do the same. Why
Okay,
should we
sir.
invent a new thing, right? Maths is a language, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
यस
So
सर.
there is no logic in symbols of language. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I
Yes,
say
sir.
beautiful is a word, why should it be called beautiful? It can be anything, right? But it has come from the past, right? We just learn it and use it. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है बेटा रोस्टर फॉर्म का मतलब क्या है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Just
सर.
write all
Yes.
the elements one after the other separated by commas. Okay. So in roster form, all elements are listed, elements being separated by commas within braces. Okay. Next, for example, this is very important. The set of letters of the word deed. For example, I am talking about the set of letters of the word deed. So if I want to express this in roster form, a single element should not be repeated again. ध्यान दे दीजिए. How many letters are there in deed? Actually,
Sir, 2.
there are only 2 letters, right? So if I have to write the set of letters of the word deed, I won't write it as D, E, E, D. I cannot write it like this. Because this and this are same, right?
Sir, only unique letters.
Basically when you write elements in roster form, the different elements of the roster form should be different from one another. They cannot be same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So every element should be written only once in roster form. You cannot write more than one time. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And the second one is the order in which you write the elements is not important. So if I talk about the Indian team that is playing in the 4th test match, will the order be important?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I can tell the team in any order that I want, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when you write the elements of this set in roster form, the order of the elements is not important. So you can write it as DE as well as ED, both are same. Do you understand this?
पहले
Yes,
एक
sir.
रूल में सर लिखा हुआ था कि एलिमेंट सब समय स्मॉल लेटर से डिनोट होते, तो यहाँ पे सर
हाँ.
डी कैपिटल है.
No, that's what I have said. It's not that elements in the set are always small. वैसा नहीं है. This is something like when I don't know the elements, if I have to talk about some element in an unknown set.
जैसे एक्स वाई जैसे लेंगे
हाँ,
तो
जैसे आपका अलजेब्रा में स्मॉल एक्स स्मॉल वाई होता है ना. Is it necessary
Yes,
that
sir.
every number should be a small letter? ऐसे जरूरत नहीं ना. This is just a symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
So
सर.
why don't we use capital X instead of small x? That's a convention, right? That's how people did it in the past. We are also
Sir,
doing the
it's
same.
general.
So if I want to talk about some element of some set that I don't know, so I'll say that okay, let that element be small a or small b or small c. Clear? समझ में आया
Yes,
बेटा
sir.
ये? It's not that elements of a set should always be small letters. When I talk about some element in a set, I usually represent it by small letters. Okay? समझ में आया बेटा जो डिफरेंस जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
जो डाउट पूछे हैं, person who have asked doubt.
हाँ सर.
Huh? Okay. Now you have some questions for you. Set of letters of the word Mississippi.
Sir, MISP.
You are going to have a set MISP. Only 4 letters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can write it as MISP, MSIP, all are same. All are valid
ये
answers.
सेम मीनिंग.
Yes, sir.
These two sets are actually equal. समझ रहे? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now set of the letters of the word school. You have
SCHOL. Comma O.
okay. So how many elements
Five.
are there in the set?
Five.
Elements.
Five.
How many elements are there in the first set?
4.
O.
Okay. So once you write the set in the roster form, you can also count the number of elements in the set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So is roster form clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
सर एक बार प्लीज लास्ट पेज दिखा दीजिएगा.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर इससे परमुटेशन और कॉम्बिनेशंस बनता है ना?
हाँ, you can think of permutation combinations also. Basically, all the permutations and combinations are same because in a set, order is not important.
हाँ सर.
Basically, if you take DE, the number of arrangements are 2, right?
हाँ सर.
But in terms of set, there is only one set containing ED.
हाँ सर.
In a set, order is not important. That's the thing that you need to understand. Clear?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Shall I go forward?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we are going to set builder form. Okay. So in set builder form, we think about a common property which every element in the set possesses. ध्यान दे दीजिए. So when you want to express a set in set builder form, what should you do? You have to try to identify what? पढ़िए. What should you try to identify?
Common
what is
Common
between
property.
all?
Common property.
Possessed by all the elements of this set, but not by the elements outside the set. समझ रहे? Clear? So when I am talking about any set in set builder form, I need to try to identify the common property. Okay. For example, AEIOU is a set in roster form. Yes or no?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
So how do you express this in set builder form? First, what is the common property of all these elements? They are vowels of English alphabet, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we write it like this. देखिए, in common braces, what we do is we express it like this. This set AEIOU, this set contains elements of the form X. X क्या represent करते हैं? X represents some unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
X represents some unknown, right? So I am saying that देखिए पढ़ने का तरीका अगर समझ में आया तो you can understand what this is. This set contains an element of the form X such that this double dot represents what? This colon represents what? In maths? Such that, okay? This set contains elements of the form small x such that what is the property of this X? X has to be
X is a vowel.
X is a vowel.
X is a vowel. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So how do you read this? How do you read this? Set containing elements of the form X where or such that X is what? What is the property that X has to satisfy?
It is a vowel.
It
It is a vowel.
Vowel of the English alphabet.
Clear? So before
Yes.
such that,
Yes sir.
okay, before such that you write the general element in the set, and after such that you write the property that this element will satisfy. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if you take the set 1 2 3 4 5, obviously you can see that these are natural numbers, is or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, X is lesser than or equal to 5.
हाँ ये दिख रहा है आपको how these are represented. This set contains elements of the form X such that what are the properties that X has to satisfy? It has
Belongs
to
to
be a natural number.
natural number.
So X belongs to natural numbers होना चाहिए. And what else?
Sir, X should be less than or
Sir, only goes up to 5.
Right? So this is the set builder form.
सर आप सेट बिल्डर फिर से समझा सकते हैं? सर मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ था.
हाँ, set builder form में what we do is we try to identify the common property which every element in the set possesses. Okay? For example, 1 2 3 4 5. What is the common property of all these numbers? All these are natural numbers, right?
हाँ सर.
And all these are less than or equal to 5, right?
हाँ सर.
Clear? So X such that X belongs to this set contains elements of the form where what is the property that this X has to satisfy? They have to belong to natural numbers. They have to be less than or equal to 5, right?
हाँ सर.
Clear? But ध्यान दे दीजिए यहाँ there is a next thing, but not by the elements outside the set, right? For example, let me write it like this. What is the problem if I write it like this? X such that X belongs to natural numbers and X is less than or equal to 6 लिखा हुआ मैंने. Okay? Is this also a valid set builder form? ध्यान दे दीजिए. Each and every element of this set 1 2 3 4 5 all satisfy these two conditions. All those are natural numbers, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
although they're
Yes,
less than or equal
sir.
to 6 also, right? अगर 5 से
Yes,
less than or
sir.
equal to है तो they are also less than or equal to 6, right? Each and every element
So they are
satisfies this
mixed
condition.
सर
ऐसा ना?
6 तो है नहीं, से इक्वल टू कैसे होगा?
वही बोल रहा हूँ. यहाँ क्या है? There is another element 6 which is also satisfying this condition, right?
सर अगर x लेस देन 6 तो होगा आंसर.
नहीं नहीं, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ओके, आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस इज रॉन्ग. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाई दिस इज रॉन्ग. आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज रॉन्ग, राइट?
हाँ सर.
But if you look at
Sir.
it carefully, each and every element of this set satisfies this equation, satisfies this condition. Yes or no?
हाँ सर.
So why is this wrong? All the elements of this set satisfy this condition. There is no problem. But this is not the right set builder form. Why? Because
Sir, because 6 does not fulfill the needs of
along with
that
all these
set.
elements, along with all these elements, there is another element which satisfies this condition, right? Yes or
हाँ
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So in set builder form, we should try to identify a common property which is possessed by all elements of the set, but not possessed
Yes,
by
sir.
any element outside the set. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
सेट के बाहर कोई भी और एलिमेंट इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं करना पड़े चाहिए. अगर कर लिया तो इसका मतलब ये सही सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म नहीं है. कैन यू से दिस?
Presentation गलत है.
दैट आवर सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म इज नॉट राइट. यू हैव टू रिफाइन इट फर्दर. समझ में आ रहा है?
सर सर अगर कोई भी सेट में, अगर एक सेट में कोई भी सिमिलैरिटी नहीं हुआ तो फिर कैसे लिखेंगे उसको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म?
That means writing set builder form is difficult for that. It's not necessary that you should be able to write everything in set builder form. If you cannot identify, that means you cannot write it. समझ में आ रहा है?
Sir, what is X in this representation?
X is a general element. You should read it like this. We are talking about a set containing an element of the form X. Usually X is unknown, right?
Yes, sir, but sir, like X is not present in all these sets.
नहीं.
It is something outside the set.
No,
and
no,
we
no,
are
no.
writing
That's what I'm
it.
saying. देखिए, एक बार आप पढ़ने, जैसा मैं पढ़ता हूँ ना, पढ़ने का तरीका पे एक बार ध्यान दे दीजिए. I read it like this. The way we read it is, after writing the set builder form, the way I read it is, so देखिए, this is a set containing 1 2 3 4 5, right? That is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now let me read this set. This is a set containing elements of the form small x, of the form small x. I am not saying that it contains small x. This set contains elements of the form small x, where x is something which belongs to natural numbers and less than or equal to 5. If an element, if a number satisfies these two conditions, that number will be present in the set. That's the meaning of it.
Sir, in place of X, we can also take any other alphabets.
No, if you take alphabet, for example, if you take x is a, for example, right? You're going to check these two conditions. Is a belong to natural numbers? Does a belong to natural numbers? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
No.
So
No,
that,
sir.
that a does not belong to the set. समझ रहे? For example, take 1.5 as x. Now you have to check these two conditions. Does this belong to natural numbers?
Sir, X denotes any element.
हाँ, x
particular
is a
set.
general element.
So, sir, I am telling if in place of X I can use Y or Z or A or B, anything.
Anything
just
you
to
can use.
denote any
You can
element.
use a set containing y such that y
Yes,
belongs
sir.
to natural numbers and
Okay, sir.
y is less than or equal to 5. That can be used.
Sir, any alphabet जो कोई
Any
भी use कर
alphabet.
सकते हैं.
A such that a belongs to n and a less than or equal to 5. That is also okay.
Yes, sir, that is what I was asking.
Okay. In the place of x, you can write anything. Okay. Usually we write x. That's the usual thing that we write. आप चाहे तो y भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. क्लियर?
लास्ट वाला एग्जांपल कैसे हुआ?
हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ, ये यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes.
क्लियर है.
नेक्स्ट देखिए, लेट मी क्लीन दिस आउट. ओके, सो नाउ अब देख लीजिए लास्ट एग्जांपल. टेक द सेट 1 2 3 4 6 12. Okay, I want to write it in set builder form. First you have to identify a common property. You have to identify it by yourself. That's a puzzle here. समझ में आ रहा है? Only after you identify
factors
the
of
common
12.
property you can think of writing.
The factors of 12.
Can you identify that these are factors of 12, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So once you identify
Yes.
that these are factors of
Sir.
12, then you can think of writing it. देखिए मैं लिखता हूँ, this set contains x elements of the form x such that what should be the properties? X should belong to natural numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
And what else? X should be a factor of
Factor of 12.
फैक्टर ऑफ 12 होगा.
Factor
Factor
of
of
12.
okay. समझ में आ रहा है? So yes.
सर वो क्या
colon
फैक्टर
है
का
ना?
साइन है जो.
वही बोल रहा हूँ. This colon, right? This colon represents what? Such that? Yes or
सच
no?
दैट.
Such that.
So there is another symbol for this column. Basically, such that has two symbols, either colon or like this. Both are such that. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
सर.
So sometimes if you want, you can use this / or colon. Clear? Both are same. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
is the
sir.
second one clear? Is the second one clear? I'll explain the first one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर
Okay.
Yes,
यस सर.
sir.
Now this symbol, this is a new symbol. Vertical dash. ध्यान दे दीजिए. Vertical dash. This is symbol for divides. This is a symbol for divides. Note कर लीजिए. If you are seeing this for the first time, note this term. This is a symbol for what? Divides.
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 Divided by नहीं है, divides. Okay. So can I? देखिए ये there is a lot of English in this, right?
Yes, sir.
I always try
Yes, sir.
to reduce as much as possible. I'll try to reduce my English as much as possible. That can be done by using more and more symbols, right?
Yes, sir.
So now read this.
Yes, sir.
It will mean the same thing as what we have already written. This set contains x such that x should be a natural number and x divides 12. Yes or no? What is the meaning of x divides 12? That means x
So
is a
that
factor of 12, right?
should be the factor of 12.
Same है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am using symbols to simplify my writing. Okay. So what is the symbol that I have used here? Divide symbol. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर आपने उधर लिखा x इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 12, वो तो स्पेस नहीं दिया आपने सर.
हाँ वो ऐसा ही, मतलब वो स्पेस दे दीजिए. ओके,
ठीक है सर.
क्लियर? Shall I go to next page?
यस सर.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
देखिए, for example, you can also think about like this. It's not always that you have to write x here. देखिए, these are odd numbers, right? Yes or no? These are a set of odd numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So there are different set builders form that you can think of. You can write it as x such that x is a odd natural number. Can I write this? Is this a
Yes,
valid
sir.
set builder form? Is this a valid set builder form for this roster form?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
यस सर.
But this is not efficient. देखिए, मैं आपको, अगर आप 9th and 10th क्लास में है तो you know that odd numbers can be represented as 2x plus 1 or 2n plus 1. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Yes,
Even numbers
sir.
can be represented as 2 times something, right?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
So we can use this concept.
Yes, sir.
So can I write it like this? This set contains elements of the form 2x plus 1. इस सेट में एलिमेंट्स 2x plus 1 फॉर्म में है, where x belongs to
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers. Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब फर्स्ट देयर इज अ स्लाइट प्रॉब्लम यहाँ, आप थोड़ा सा प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, 2x plus 1 नहीं है, 2x minus 1 है। क्यों, देखिए आपको समझ में आएगा। सो फर्स्ट हम
Yes.
क्या करेंगे, x इक्वल टू 1 पुट करेंगे, x नेचुरल नंबर है ना,
हाँ सर।
x इक्वल टू 1 पुट करेंगे। सो x इक्वल टू 1 है तो मेरा सेट के अंदर क्या आएगा, व्हाट इज द नंबर दैट कम्स
तो
इनसाइड द
1 आ
सेट?
जाएगा।
2 into 1 minus 1, मेरे सेट में 1 आ
One.
गया, राइट। इसके बाद x2 हुआ, correspond to 2, correspond to x equal to 2, what is the element in my set? 3, yes or no?
5
3 2, ये माइनस होगा, ये
Yes,
मिस्टेक
sir.
है, प्लस नहीं है, ओके। अगर
Yes,
प्लस है
sir.
तो यहाँ नेचुरल नंबर्स के प्लेस में होल नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं, दैट विल बी वैलिड।
हाँ सर।
क्लियर है?
Yes.
Anything you can change one of these, either plus can become minus or natural numbers can become whole numbers, okay. So then x becomes 3, what is the number correspond to x equal to 3? 5, 7,
So
so on,
5.
right? Did you get the
Yes.
same roster form? Yes or no?
Yes.
ये वाला जगह और एक बार समझा देंगे।
हाँ, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to convert this roster form into set builder form, okay? समझ में आ रहे? मेरा roster form क्या है? 1,
Yes,
3,
sir.
5, 7, so on. So to convert
Yes,
into
sir,
set
yes,
builder
sir.
form, I first have to identify a common property. So what is the
Yes,
common
sir.
property of all these elements? These are odd numbers,
Sir,
right?
they are natural.
Odd natural
Yes,
numbers, right?
odd.
So
Yes, odd natural.
if they are odd natural numbers, I think you know that they can be represented as 2x plus 1 or 2x minus 1, right? ये पता है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I say that my set contains elements of the form, instead of writing x or y, I write that my elements are of the form 2x minus 1. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Such that what is x here? X should belong to what? Natural numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब first x will become 1. Corresponding to 1, what is the element in my set? 2 into 1 minus 1. 1. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So that is why this is called set builder form. Set builder form means once I look at this set, I can build this set. Next x becomes 2. What is the element correspond to x equal to 2? 3. What is the element
Yes,
correspond to
sir.
x equal to 3? 5,
5.
7, so on. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
able to build this set from the set builder form?
Yes, sir.
So that's why this is called set builder form, okay? Next, if you to look at this, what are these? These are squares, right?
Good. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So can I write it like this? A set containing elements of the form x square. This set contains elements of the form what? X square, where x belongs to natural numbers. Can you see this? This is a very nice way to represent things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. So next, what is this? This element, this set contains elements of the form 1 by something, right?
Yes, sir.
ये सारा elements जो है, are you seeing that they are of the form 1 by something, right?
सर इसमें 1 मिसिंग है ना?
हाँ, ये वही, यहाँ फिर एक और missing है. There's some problem with this. So can I write it like this? This set contains elements of the form 1 by n, where n belongs to natural numbers and n is greater than or equal to 2. Can I write it like this?
हाँ सर, ये हो सकता है सर।
Okay.
हाँ सर।
So do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand the concept of set builder form? So what happens before
Yes,
such
sir.
that? Before such that you have a typical element of the set. समझ में आ रहा है? उस सेट में जो एलिमेंट्स है वो कैसे दिखता है वो लिखना पड़ेगा. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And after
Yes,
such
sir.
that you have to write the condition that this element satisfies. Clear?
सर एक एल्गोरिदम है जो वो सेट का हर एक एलिमेंट को डिफाइन करता जाएगा।
हाँ, that's what
सर
is
वहाँ
called
पे
set
1
builder
by
form.
n plus 1 हो सकते हैं?
What? हाँ, वैसा कर सकते हैं. Elements of the form 1 by n plus 1, where n belongs to natural numbers. This is also valid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because now when n is equal to 1, you get 1 by 2. When n equal to 2, you're going to get 1 by 3, so on. क्लियर है?
सर
Yes,
अगर
sir.
कोई सेट 2 से और उससे भी ज्यादा कोई फॉर्मूला को फॉलो करते हैं तो हम उसमें क्या लिखेंगे, कौन सा वाला लिखेंगे?
देखिए आपको इफ देर इज सम वेरी सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी इट इज इजी टू राइट सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. If there is no simple property, it is difficult to write set builder form. Sometimes it will not be possible also. For example, if I have set A, P, Z, what will I write it in set builder form?
Yes, sir.
Is there any property that this is satisfying?
Sir, they are alphabets, English alphabets.
But there are many alphabets, right?
नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, 26 को
You
है.
have to find a condition which these elements are satisfying and other
Sir,
elements are
only
not
these are
satisfying.
satisfying.
समझ में आ रहा है? If you
से
just say that
अल्फाबेट
they are
होगा तो
alphabets,
कलेक्शन हो जाएगा.
there are other alphabets also, right? What is the specialty
Yes,
about
sir.
these elements? That's the question that you need to ask.
So these are
They are not
symbols.
well defined sets.
Huh?
So these are symbols.
तो नहीं होगा सर, कुछ नहीं होगा, सेट नहीं
If
है.
you say that these are symbols, there are many other symbols also, right?
यस सर.
So what I'm trying to say is it's not always easy to
Sir,
write
nothing
elements in set
unique
builder form.
about them.
So if I have to write it like write the set builder form, I'll write it like this. देखिए, this set contains elements of the form x such that x is equal to a or x is equal to p or x is equal to z. इतना लंबा लिखना पड़ेगा. इससे कुछ ज़्यादा फायदा हुआ आपको?
नहीं सर,
रोस्टर फॉर्म
No,
इजी है.
तो ये सेम चीज ही है.
रोस्टर फॉर्म इज इजी.
सेम चीज और लंबा हो जाएगा.
Yeah, that's why we don't write set builder form in those cases. We go with roster form. Clear है? But sometimes set builder form is useful actually, because when you write elements in set builder form, you can visualize what the property is, right? Yes or no?
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए.
sir, like if the vowels, there are 5 vowels, sir, if any 3 vowels are given in the roster form, so then we can write like this in the set builder form.
Yeah, you can write like this, but that's the only way you can write. There is no other way you can write.
Yes, but that 2 other vowels will be left behind, so so that is not in this. So this is some
No,
outside
if
set.
you want to represent only A, E and I, if you want to represent this, then you have to remove the other two, right? If you want to represent this, that means you are not representing all the vowels. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are representing only some of the vowels. So in set builder form also you write the same thing. Elements of the form x such that x is equal to A or x is equal to E or x is equal to I. समझ आ रहे?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना तो इजी है. सेट बिल्डर.
क्या है बेटा?
Sir, roster form में लिखना
set
easy.
builder form is easy. Why to go for, if there is a good property then we go for set builder form. Okay? Clear?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your exercise in NCERT. Okay, first exercise. So first exercise, first question: which of the following are sets? So if you are given a collection, how do you decide whether it is a set or not? You have
If
to
they
check
are
whether it is
well
well
defined.
defined.
They
or
are
not,
well
right?
defined.
Defined, sir.
Fine.
So बोलिए बेटा first one.
हाँ सर, होगा
Yes,
सर.
sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be a
Second
set.
Yes, sir. होगा.
Yes,
जून
sir.
जुलाई.
Second.
The second one not a set.
Second one not a
The
set.
second one not a set.
Third one not a set.
Third not. Okay.
The third not, sir.
The fourth one is a
The
set.
Yes.
Fourth is
fourth
set.
is a set.
Fourth is
Fifth one.
set.
The fifth is also set.
Fifth is also a set.
Sixth one.
Yes, sir.
Sixth one is also a set.
Sixth one
is also set.
Yes.
The seventh is set.
Seventh is also a
Good.
set.
Basically the concept is that you should not have any adjectives, right? So
Yes, sir.
basically you
Yes.
should not have any adjectives like this. If you have best, talented, if you have something like this, they will not be sets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, eighth one.
Set.
Sir, it is a set.
Yes, sir. It is a
Yes.
set.
Ninth one.
Yes, sir.
Ninth one.
Nine
They're
is
not a set. Nine to not a set.
Not a set.
Not.
Not a
Night
set.
is not a set.
Okay.
तो लेकिन 9 में तो डेंजरस तो एडजेक्टिव है ना.
हाँ, dangerous adjective है. Clear?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
सर.
Yes, sir.
Next, let A be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, you have to fill in the blanks with belongs to or does not belong to. First one.
Sir,
Sir,
belongs
belongs to.
Two.
Second one.
Belongs to A.
Does not
Does not
Sir,
belong
does
to.
not belongs to.
Right.
Not.
Does
Sir,
not
belongs.
not belongs to.
Belongs.
belongs to.
Belongs to.
Belongs.
Belongs to.
Does not belong.
Not
Does
belongs
not
to.
belong.
Clear है?
हाँ
Yes,
सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Write the following in roster form. देखिए, the set contains x such that x is an integer होना चाहिए और it has to lie between -3 and 7. -3 included, 7 not included, right?
सर -3 से 6 लिखना पड़ेगा.
So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right?
Six.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Next. X such that x is a natural number
तो नहीं
less
लिखना
than
होगा
6.
ना सर. -3 और
One, two,
-7 के
five.
बीच में ना सर.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
सर उसमें तो -2 से शुरू होगा ना.
क्या है बेटा?
सर उसमें तो -3 और 7 के बीच में बोला है ना.
नहीं,
तो
but
सर
यहाँ
तो
equality
-3
दिया है ना. -3 की तरफ there is an equality. देख. Look at it closely. On one side there is an equality, on the other side there is no equality. Right?
ओके सर.
Next, x such that x is a 2-digit number, such that sum of the digits is 8.
17.
17,
44,
71, 44,
and
हाँ, write it in a
22,
5.
right.
62, 26,
53,
53, 35,
44.
53, 62,
Sir.
71, right? ऐसा ना?
सर
7.
फर्स्ट
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
पे
Yes,
एक बार है तो
एक
सेकंड
80
में
भी
एक कम
आएगा
रहा है.
शायद. You
Yes,
also
sir.
get 80, right?
8, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
let
sir.
10x plus y be the number and x plus y is equal to 8.
Yeah, you can. It's very easy to. You don't need to solve, right? You can directly write it, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 60. What are the prime divisors of 60?
1, 2, 3.
1 is not a
1,
prime,
2,
right?
3.
3,
2, 3,
5.
15.
15 is not prime, right?
नहीं सर नहीं सर.
Basically, it has to be a prime number which is a divisor of 60. That's it, right?
और कुछ
Only
नहीं.
2, 3, 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, set of all letters of the word trigonometry.
सर T,
T,
R, I, G, O, N, M, E, R,
O is
Y.
only. O should be written only once. Okay.
नहीं होगा.
And for T also.
T again one time. R is again only.
Sir,
So
T and R.
okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you write things in roster form, you have to write only once. That's the concept. Better.
E-T-R.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
हाँ सर.
Next, the opposite. Write the following in set builder form. 3, 6, 9, 12.
सर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3.
Multiples of 3.
X is a multiple.
X is a
It
multiple
is a
of
natural
3.
number and it is a multiple of
हाँ
3.
देखिए बेटा, जितना कम इंग्लिश यूज कर सकता है उतना कम
Sir,
करने
x
से
is
फायदा
lesser than or equal to.
है ना. Can I write it like this? देखिए, set containing elements of the form 3 times n, such that n belongs to natural numbers and n
Yes.
is less than or equal to 4. Can I
Yes,
write it like
sir.
this?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इंग्लिश कम कर रहा हूँ मैं, इतना ही. जो whatever you tell is also correct. You can also write it like this. Okay. Set containing x such that x is a multiple of 3 and x is less than or equal to 12. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. There's no problem. Okay.
सेकंड वाला का 2n होगा. सेम चीज होगा बस 2n.
नहीं देखिए बेटा, these are
to the power
not all.
हाँ सर 2 to the power n.
These are all even numbers, but these are not all even numbers. These are of the form 2 power n शायद. देखिए.
Yes sir.
हाँ सर. exponential form, sir.
Elements of the
n
form
belongs
2 power n where n belongs to natural numbers and
Sir, n
Natural number
less than
and
equal to 5.
less than or equal to 5, right?
equal to 5. Yes, sir.
What are these? I think
The
these are
5 to the
5
power
power
n.
n, right?
5 to the power n.
5 to the power
To the power
n,
5
5 to the
where n
N
power
belongs
and
to
n is
Then
equal
equal to
n,
4,
where n
right?
belongs to
is
n equal to or less than 5.
Okay. So these are just even natural numbers. This is very easy, right? Set containing
Yes,
2n.
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Such
n
that n
equal
belongs to
to
natural
2n.
numbers, right?
even natural.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is the fifth one?
N
2
square.
sir, 2
Set
to
containing n square, right?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
n
Yes,
sir.
square where n is a
n
natural.
is
less than
N
equal to
less
10.
than or equal to 10.
10.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Again, set builder form to roster form again. So can you do these things?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर हो जाएगा सर.
पहला का 1, 2,
Okay,
3.
beta. So we have completed the first exercise today. So I want you to do the remaining questions by yourself. You all have this PDF, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll stop here for today. So
सर
I want
ये
you
वाला
to
पीडीएफ
complete
आप
this
तभी एक बार
exercise.
सेंड कर देंगे ग्रुप
हाँ
में.
क्या है बेटा?
सर ये वाला पीडीएफ एक बार सेंड कर देंगे ग्रुप में.
हाँ सर एक बार सेंड कर दीजिए.
Okay बेटा, send कर लेता हूँ मैं.
सर नेट पे तो
हाँ, सर,
अवेलेबल है.
हाँ वही
Yes,
बोल
sir.
रहा
नेट
हूँ.
पे आ जाएगा.
आपको NCERT से डाउनलोड करना है बेटा. ठीक है मैं सेंड कर लेता हूँ. ओके.
ओके सर.